If you're searching for the best digital pianos with 88 weighted keys, you're likely looking for an authentic piano experience that can elevate your playing. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Yamaha P45B. The Yamaha P45B caught my eye with its classic design and reputation for quality. Priced as an entry-level option, it's a solid choice for anyone wanting that authentic touch. If you're looking for an affordable way to feel like you're playing a real piano, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It features an 88-key weighted keyboard that replicates the feel of an acoustic piano, giving you that dynamic response you crave. The built-in speaker system offers immersive sound with 10 unique voices, including the rich tones of a Yamaha grand piano. Plus, it has a USB connection, which makes it easy to connect to your computer for recording. With over 900 people buying it in just the past month, it's clear that it's popular among beginners and intermediate players alike. Now, some people complained about the lack of advanced features compared to pricier models. Here's the thing though. If you're just starting out or want a straightforward piano experience, this simplicity can be a blessing. You can focus on your playing without getting overwhelmed. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner who wants to develop your piano skills without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for extensive features or advanced connectivity options, but honestly, for its price, it offers fantastic value. Now, if the P45B's simplicity doesn't meet your needs, this next one might actually be even better for more versatile playing.
Product number 2, the VTOB 88-key digital piano. The VTOB 88-key digital piano stands out with its impressive variety of features packed into an affordable package. At just $219.99, it comes with everything a beginner could need. If you want a complete starter kit that doesn't skimp on features, this is worth a serious look. What sets this digital piano apart is its semi-weighted keys that simulate the real touch of a traditional piano while offering a lighter feel for beginners. It includes 1,000 timbres and rhythms, so you can explore different styles and genres, plus a dual keyboard function for side-by-side learning. Ideal for practice, the MIDI connectivity allows you to connect to apps or computers, making your learning experience interactive. With no reviews yet, it's a newer entry, but the features suggest it could be a hit with beginners. Some users might find the key action less satisfying compared to fully weighted models. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting, a lighter touch can actually help you build strength without straining your fingers, so it's not a deal breaker at all. This is perfect for you if you want a fully equipped starter kit to kick off your piano journey. Skip this one if you prefer a fully weighted action or a more experienced, but for beginners, this is a fantastic value. If the VTOB semi-weighted keys aren't your vibe, the next product brings a different approach with an ultra-portable design.
Product number 3, the Strick 88-key digital piano, which really impressed me with its portability and learning features. Priced at $129.99, it's aimed at beginners who value convenience without sacrificing sound quality. If you need a piano you can take anywhere, this is worth a serious look. This keyboard features a foldable design that makes it super easy to transport, and the 88 keys are touch-sensitive, which is important for developing your playing technique. It includes 128 tones and rhythms, making it versatile for different playing styles. The wireless connectivity allows you to connect to learning apps, giving you access to countless tutorials and lessons right from your device. Plus, built-in speakers mean you can enjoy high-quality sound wherever you go. Now, some users reported that the build quality feels a bit plasticky. Here's the deal. While it may not have the premium feel of higher-end models, it's sturdy enough for beginners and perfect for on-the-go practice. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner looking for something lightweight and portable. Skip this one if you want a more premium feel under your fingers, but for the price, it's an excellent choice for aspiring musicians. If portability isn't a priority for you, this next option offers a more traditional piano setup. Product number 4, the Korina 88 Keys keyboard. The
The Karina 88 Keys keyboard is another fantastic option, especially for those who love modern technology in their learning process. At just $99.80, it's incredibly budget-friendly while offering a lot of features. If you want a digital piano that helps you learn with ease, this is worth a serious look. This model has light-up keys, which are a game changer for beginners. They guide you through songs, making practice more intuitive. The semi-weighted keys deliver a nice touch without being too heavy, and the Bluetooth capability allows you to connect to apps for a more interactive learning experience. With 128 tones and rhythms, it also keeps your practice sessions fresh and engaging. Some users have mentioned that the sound quality isn't as rich as higher-end models, but honestly, at this price point, the learning features make it a steal, especially if you're focused on developing your skills. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner who thrives on visual learning tools. Skip this one if you're set on professional sound quality, but it offers great value for those just starting out. And if you're considering something a bit more advanced, the next digital piano combines features with great value.
Product number 5, RWESU 88 Key Digital Piano. We have the RWESU 88 Key Digital Piano, which wraps up our list nicely with its comprehensive features. Also priced at $219.99, it comes with a full set of accessories, making it a great deal for beginners. If you want an all-in-one package that supports learning, this is worth a serious look. This piano features half-weighted keys, which provide a lighter feel that is ideal for beginners while still simulating the piano experience. It comes with a sustain pedal, headphones, and a stand. Plus, it supports MIDI and Bluetooth connectivity for easy integration with music apps. With 1,000 timbres and rhythms, you'll have plenty of options to explore your musical style. However, some users found the key action a bit too soft for their liking. Here's the deal. While it may not satisfy more advanced players, it's perfect for beginners who need to focus on building their skills without being overwhelmed. This is perfect for you if you want a complete setup that includes everything you need to get started. Skip this one if you're looking for a professional-grade instrument, but for the price and included accessories, it's a fantastic choice. Now let's wrap up and compare all 5 options. So, to recap, we've looked at the Yamaha P45B for an authentic experience, the Vittobe 88 Key Digital Piano for a complete starter kit, the STRICH for portability, the Karina for tech-savvy learners, and the RWESU for a comprehensive package. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Yamaha P45B because it offers the best real piano feel for beginners at an affordable price. As for one to avoid, I'd pass on the STRICH if you're serious about sound quality.